Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can target the exact audience if your ads are reaching to wrong people and you want to target the exact audience from your Facebook ads. You've been running ads, for example, for Dubai or for Canada where multiple languages has been spoken and you want to target the specific language people or specific interest people. How you can do it from your Facebook ads. Mostly people run the generic ads, a broad audience where they don't target the detailed audience. They don't create the custom audience or any lookalike. So the ad goes to everyone in that area which you're targeting. Well, for example, you're targeting learning. So all the people in the learning, they will get those ads. If they're interested to your campaign, if they're interested to your services or not, they will see the ads. So what will happen? It will waste your budget and it will increase your reach, but you will not get a lot of quality leads from there. So what you need to do once you have started the broad campaign where you don't target anyone and you just only target the location and the age, you know that you will collect all the data from it. Once you have that, after let's say after 2 weeks, you can start the interest campaign, you can start the lookalike campaign. So in those campaign, you can specifically target the people and the language which will help you to reach exact people from your ads. And then you can use that data in your broad campaign, in your retail targeting campaigns to optimize those also. So start with the broad campaign so you get most reach on your ads. Sometimes reach is really important. If you calculate it with the CTR, if your CTR is above 1%, it's good. Below 1% CTR in your campaigns, just stop those campaigns because people are not interested in your ads and those campaigns are not working. Even if you keep them running for a month or 2 months, it will not work until your CTR increases. So basically the CTR is like you can compare it to the interest of the people. So if it is above 1%, it means people are interested in your ads and they're clicking on your ad. It doesn't matter if they are going to your website or becoming a successful lead, at least they are clicking on your ad. So it means your ads are working. Eventually, they will start converting to. So what you need to do, specifically target the people for your ads. You need to come to your ad set level, and in the ad set level, you need to go into the locations and specifically target the location which you are looking for. So here we are targeting the exact location. We are not targeting the whole area. You can more filter it by putting the zip codes or the exact area location or the business zip codes. So it will only run in those service areas. And you can also target the local businesses through the location zip codes or the areas. So it will be really good for your ads. Okay, so after adding the location, you can click on see more options. So most of the important options are hidden in your ad manager mostly. So you need to open them to discover the new functionalities of your Facebook ad manager. The normal and the basic functions you can easily see in your ad set or the campaign level. But when you click on the see more options, you will see the age option here and the audience you want to exclude. So you can add all the audience. You can create a separate audience if you have a list, and you can create a custom audience from there, and you can add them here to exclude them from your ads. So the language option is really good. If you are targeting Canada and only the French people, you can put the French here, and the ad will only target to French people, and it will not display to the people who have their priority or the primary language as English. So you are filtering your ads and you are reaching the exact audience which you are wish to serve your services to. So it will save your budget also, and it will be a really good campaign for your ad. So after that, you can come to advanced audience section here. You can put more audience and the lookalikes here. You just need to create the custom audience in your ad manager. And then once you do that, just keep selecting here, add all the audience here, and it will filter more. And once you do that, the final step is the detailed targeting. So you need to know that what audience you're targeting and what is their interest. So you need to know that what audience you're targeting and what are their interests. Sometimes people, what they do, they target the wrong audience and they put the correct interest in it. Mostly, like if I can show you here, let me put renovation and it will give me few options here. So here you can see it gives me the interest, but it also gives me the category here. Here it says that the renovation keyword is the interest. So people who are interested in the renovation, they will be included in your campaign. So let me show you another example. If I can put a sports here, and so now you can see that it gives me sports as an interest for the people, and sports management as the employees or field of study. So the people who are employees to any sports shop or any merchandise, they will be included in this campaign. But what we need the people who have the interest in the sports, and they have it as with maybe they like the pages on their Facebook page, or they have like any post on the Instagram ad, they will be added in this campaign. So this is really important, which you need to look for while adding the detail targeting in your ads, and it will make your campaign really optimized, and it will give you a really good lead quality. I hope this video helps you understand how you can reach the right people from your Facebook ads. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.